here's a sneak peek into this week's episode of Snap Happy, the photography show.
Now that most of the people have moved on, we've moved up the falls a bit, trying to just get some alternative shots. Here I shot f/22, closed my aperture. Sony features a 50 ISO, natively 100, but 50 ISO here. And that's giving about a half-second exposure. Really getting the fall colours here.
So this morning we've got a lot of fantastic photo opportunities, and what we like to try and do is utilise foreground. So here we've got beautiful ripples in the foregrounds leading onto a line with the snaking dunes, leading into the background with a lovely big dune in the background there. We're purposely tilting the camera a little bit to emphasise the foreground. By doing that, you create a more dimensional look to your final result.
Now that we've got the burger, it's really important to shoot it as quickly as possible because fresh food tends to sag as soon as you start trying to mess around with it. And now it's just a matter of trying to get the light looking interesting, trying to get some reflections on the meat and on the relish, and making sure that the background's nice and soft. Excellent.
I'm going to grab my adjustment brush. And I'm using an adjustment brush because I only want to change the water, not the whole image. And I'm just going to paint it in. And you can see there where I've darkened the image down. Let's just go and zero that out because we're not actually wanting to darken the image. All we're really wanting to do is change the colour to blue. So I'm grabbing my temp slider and I'm moving that to the left. You can see the blue water coming in there. And then I shall continue to paint it in.
Don't forget to visit our website and sign up to our mailing list for all the latest offers and details on our new photo competition, exclusive to Snap Happy viewers. Happy shooting!